Enemy AC 30 above!
Oh shit, here we go again.
It's time to stop!
Is the Bitcoin price retesting this important trend line to then go to the specific price target around here? Or will the Bitcoin price make a savage fake out to the downside to this specific price level you see right here? Stay tuned in today's video to find out what is the Bitcoin price is most likely going to do in the short term, guys. Yes. Hello guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's YouTube video, we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin technical analysis in the short term. So right now, starting right here, the Bitcoin price was following this pattern right here, this falling wedge, broke out, retest a bunch of times. Now it's still holding this trend line, which I drew a couple of days ago. And look at that, guys, exactly retested exactly at that trend line. So the price target for this pattern will be around the top of the wedge. And so right now the Bitcoin price is finding a lot of resistance on this red line you see right here, like so. And you can see right here, rejection and another rejection and rejection, and boom, now it's holding this green line as support. And yes guys, so guys, the reason why the Bitcoin price is finding a lot of resistance right here around this price range and why the Bitcoin price hasn't met this target yet, I'm going to show you why. I'm going to zoom out the chart so you can see what I am referring to. So the Bitcoin price is following this rising wedge, as you can see right here. I'm gonna complete this line just a second right here and here and there. So right now, as you can see right here, the Bitcoin price is following this rising wedge you see right here. Support, lost support. It confirmed that resistance. The Bitcoin price tried again to re-enter this rising wedge, but it got rejected. And right now you can see that this falling wedge is holding the Bitcoin price as support using this line, as you can see right there. And the price target for this rising wedge will be around here, around the $28,000 range, which it is most likely not going to happen because of the in bullish trends, bearish patterns most likely don't complete because of the bullish momentum. The most I see the Bitcoin price going, if the Bitcoin price is going to follow this falling wedge target, would be around the most I see it would be around this level, around the $40,000 range, because there's strong support there, and around this $42,500 level. Between these lines, the Bitcoin price will hold a very strong support. If the Bitcoin price can't hold this horizontal blue line here around the $46,600 as support, and this green line as support, which is the $44,000 area. These green lines and these blue lines are very strong Fibonacci retracements. If the Bitcoin price can't hold this $47,700 range, it will then go to this next Fibonacci retracement, the $46,800 range. And if the Bitcoin price can't hold this as support, then it will go drastically to this $44,000 area. And then if the Bitcoin price can't hold that as support, it would then go to this $42,500 area. And in the very, very bearish scenario right now, if the Bitcoin price doesn't hold this as support, this line right here, then the Bitcoin price will go here around this $40,500 level. But seeing the bullish momentum in the short term and in the midterm, I see that the Bitcoin price most likely will hold support around this price range, around the $44,000 area and the $42,500 area right here. Will establish a healthy correction because of this massive uptrend you see right here without taking a significant break. So this amount of correction will be enough consolidation and then keep going higher. I agree. Also, I'm going to pull out a short-term Fibonacci retracement. The reason why for this pullback, you've seen the dead cat bounce strategy using the Fibonacci retracements right here, you can see that when the Bitcoin price has a drastic drop to the downside, it would then have a rebound to where? To this specific levels I'm going to show you. You see right there, strong pullback, and then it's going to receive a relief bounce. If in the relief bounce the Bitcoin price can't find a support on top of this 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci retracement, will be that it is the golden pocket and in a very strong indicator to know if the Bitcoin price will most likely continue to the upside, and if it gets rejected, it will continue to go down more than the low you see right here. As I show you right here, and I'll show you the demonstration again. Here, pull back. If it doesn't find support here and gets rejected, and also closes a 1 hour body candle close or a 4 hour body candle close, or both below this 0.82 Fibonacci retracement, it will almost guarantee, it is almost guaranteed that the Bitcoin price will go much lower than this low right here using this strategy. And as you can see right there, boom, continuation. Guys, this scenario happens a lot. I'm gonna show you another example right here very fast. Right here, from here to here. Look at that, guys. As I show you, strong pullback, relief bounce. If it can't find support right here and then closes a 1 hour body candle close or a 4 hour body candle close, or both below this 0.382 Fibonacci retracements, it will continue a more bearish continuation to the downside below the low you see right there, as shown there. That's another sample. It happens a lot, guys. It's a very good strategy to use when using the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frames. So right now, going into the present right now, I see, using this Fibonacci retracement, from here, from this swing high to this swing low you see right there, that the Bitcoin price right now, look at this, guys, pullback, relief bounce, it's finding a lot of resistance around this golden pocket, around the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement. Look at that. So rejection, boom, support, rejection, huge rejection, boom, rejection again, boom. And also, very important, you see what I mean, guys? Look at this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. Look at that. The body candle close has managed to stay, using the 4 hour time frame, 5 candles from the 4 hour time frame. The body candle close from the 4 hour remained above this line. Look at that, guys. Look at that. As long as the Bitcoin price can manage to keep closing 4 hour body candle close on top of this red line, the Bitcoin price will most likely consolidate and then start going upwards and potentially retest again this golden pocket right here on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracements. And very important, guys, if the Bitcoin price closes a 4 hour body candle close below the 0.82 Fibonacci retracement, that would be around the $47,930 area. If that happens, guys, it is almost a guarantee that the Bitcoin price will continue going much lower than this low you see right here, as I mentioned before, the examples as I showed you before. And if that happens, the next strong support will be around here, the $44,000. So most likely, if the Bitcoin price closes a 4 hour body candle close below this red line right here, the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, which is below this $47,930 area, then the Bitcoin price will most likely go lower than this low. And if the Bitcoin price is here there's no Fibonacci retracement, there's no strong support around this area. So the Bitcoin price, if it goes right here, it will most likely go to this $44,000 area, as I'm mentioning right now. For the bullish scenario, the Bitcoin price will have to find support above this golden pocket around the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and 0.65 Fibonacci retracement on top of this $48,900 area and the $49,000 area to start getting bullish, and then find support above this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement in order for this to continue to the upside, which will be around the $49,600 area. And if the Bitcoin price can find support around this $49,600 area, then the Bitcoin price will most likely go to the upside much higher than this high you see right here, which is the $50,500 area. Pulling out some indicators, here is the Williams Alligator indicator. You see right here that the Bitcoin price is below these three red lines, which is a bearish momentum in the short term using the Williams Alligator indicator. Pulling out the EMA ribbon, you see right there the Bitcoin price is struggling to stay above this 4-hour EMA ribbon on this last line of the EMA ribbon right now. As long as the Bitcoin price stays below this 4-hour EMA ribbon, the Bitcoin price will remain bearish in the short term in the 4-hour time frame. Using the simple moving averages, you see that the Bitcoin price right now is below this. As you can see right here, the Bitcoin price is below these two simple moving averages, this 21 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average, and the Bitcoin price found support around this 100 simple moving average in the 4-hour time frame, and the 200 simple moving average will be around here, the $45,000 area. Right now it's neutral in the Bitcoin price using the simple moving averages, but what I see right now, the Bitcoin price is bearish in the short term right now. Also guys, as I mentioned before, this is the daily time frame, and going into the RSI, I mentioned before that the Bitcoin price was forming lower momentum waves using the RSI indicator in the daily time frame. You can see resistance, supports, resistance, resistance, supports, resistance, resistance, support, by low support, and now it's breaking this support line, which is a very bearish thing using the daily time frame in the RSI. And so what I'm anticipating is that the Bitcoin price will most likely keep going downwards because of the momentum in the daily time frame for the RSI, and you see that the momentum in the RSI indicator is going lower, while in the Bitcoin price you see that the price is going higher. That's a divergence in the price and in the RSI momentum indicator, which means that the Bitcoin price will most likely consolidate and slowly go to the downside. Also here you can see that the volume is also drastically decreasing. That's another indication that the Bitcoin price will most likely have a correction like this. And this is what I'm anticipating, this kind of correction, or maybe even to this price level. This will be very bearish, but it will still remain healthy in regards of the continuation to the upside. But right now, that's what's happening right now in the Bitcoin price. So yeah guys, that is today's Bitcoin technical analysis video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, there's a Bybit link in the description below. Click the link in the description below using the Bybit link if you're only an experienced trader and you know what you're doing, and you know what the Bitcoin price will most likely do in the short term, and you have been in this cryptocurrency market for some time now. And also, if you deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin using my Bybit link in the description below, you can get an estimated amount of $500 worth of Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a nice day guys. Take care guys, and peace out guys.